static IP configuration, I already know the IP address. So let's give the nmap scan and what is there. So it says port 22 and 88 is open. Let's go to the HTTP port and let's see what's available. Let's go to 192.168.128.211. Okay. Okay, I'm in the 192.168 port 80. So in here you have to go to page source so that you can see HTTP command, and this is for the level 1 password. Level 1 is account name and the flag name. So this is CSS hyphen code. So you have to go to C. So I use this online tool to decode the cipher. So like this. It's shift by 3, so it's a default CSS cipher. So it says level 1 as for the level 1 use account, and for the password, so this is the password. So I'll copy the password and try to SSH to the level 1. So I have the password from there. So I just did copy and change paste the password. Okay, I'm on the level 1, and in the level 1 you have a folder called triple dot, as you can see. So you can cd into that directory, and you have to cat that bin, and there you can see the second flag. So I copy the second flag, go to exit, and using level 2 and connect using that password. Okay, let's see what's there. And there is this folder. Okay, so I had to change it to that folder. So you can do it by /, and you can see 2 files available. First cat this maybe joke. It says something hint. So I give strings, file JPG name, and using grep command you can grep the content. I just like this. Okay, this is the password for the level 3. I just copy the password and exit the TTY. multiple folders in this folder, and so here there is multiple folders. There is nothing like that. So there is another hint called dot nothing. So this is the hint to so it's down, up, left. So and there may be more folders in this directory. So I can use find star command to find the available files. So there is 3 JPG files hidden in these directories. So each of these out directories. So you have to find each directory, find what are the files available. So it's a PNG data. The second file is on 35. And the third file is on 40th folder. So you have to copy all these files into your host directory. So you can use a cp command to copy those files into your host machine. Let's cp the 3 files. Define. So I'll rename this file as 1. So otherwise it will be replaced. So okay. I'll just rename this 2. Let's see again the hint. So it says a pattern. So we need to keep the JPGs as pattern. Okay. So first one is down. So it like this. And then for the second one, it says up. So like this. Third one as left. So once you keep this as these 3 photos as it is, then you will get the password for the next level. So this is the password with this. Combine this and this and this, you will get the password for the next level. So I'm connecting the password I got from previous level. So okay, now I'm in level 4. So let's see what's there. So there's a directory called no hints. So I'm going to change the directory, and then there is a file called triple dot. Sorry. This is a base N64 encoded hint. So you have to go to copy this file and have to type base 64 decode. So I'm paste it here and click on decode. So it says tinting says something between dollar. So this is you can use cat no hints and you can try to break in between something like dollars. So you can use like this. You have to escape the dollar character like this. So it's using a backslash. Okay, this is the thing you found. Then you have to copy that file and you have to paste it here and try to decode it. And this when you exclude the snowy part because it's a character from tinting, so you can just copy this text to the next level. So just to keep it as it is. So I'm going to exit and using for the level 5 I just give the password I got. Okay, I'm on the level 5 now. Okay, there's a file called don't get full here. So this is a Wikipedia link. So you have to go to that link and you have to study a little bit regarding the characters of the tinting. So you have to go to this one and you have to read a little bit. Okay. So for the so I'm just close the currently. So let's check the file, and this is tinting partner file. So it's easy hint actually. There's no need to go through this thing. So this is GPG encrypted data. So you can use you can give GPG and give the file name. Okay, then it will ask for the passphrase. Passphrase is actually snowy. So SNOWY. So it will ask to change the file. So I'll just give adding settings. So once you cut the and then there will be like this one. So it's a Morse code actually. So you have to copy this Morse code. Then you can use online tool to decrypt the Morse code. So Morse code. I use this tool. So you can just paste your Morse code here. So this is my password for the next level. So I'm just copy the password and I'm going to connect to the level 6 using that password. Okay, I'm on the level 6 now. So there is a file called plain.txt. Let's see what's the file type. So it's ASCII text. When you cat it, it will be something like this. So this is a hex actually. So you have to convert it to the binary format. So I'll give xxd minus plain minus revert plain dot text into data f dot, so just data f. So if you give the file data f now, so this is multiple compress file. So you have to compress each level by different tools like bzip, gzip2, tar, like that. So I'm going to use, first I move that file and then it's a bzip, so I'm going to decrypt it. Like this, and move. So I did the all encryption round. So you have file called now data.bin. So I can just cat data.bin to get the next level password. I just copy it. So let's connect to the level 7. So I'm in level 7 now. has three files, sorry, two files. So it is also converted into hex format. So you need to convert it to the relevant format. So binary format. So which is plain minus revert no to no dot text, and this is the password. Sorry, give no dot text. So okay. Now let's do the same to the sunset file. This is like this. Okay. Once you give this, says PEM RSA private key. So this is the password for the private key, and this is the private key. So you need to SCP that file, SCP SS to the root. Right. This is my IP. 30. Let's hopefully see it's there. So it's copied. Now you have to connect to the level 8 using that file and using this password. So I'm going to copy this password. I'm going to exit it and making sure that the SS file is available. So okay, you can see that this is available. So I'm going to use SSH -I and give the path and next level 8 at 92.168.211.128. So it asks bad permission. So you have to make that permission chmod. Let's see what's the permission. It's available. So it keeps all the read permissions. So yeah, remove the read permissions. I'll give I'm going to chmod 600 access. So I remove the read permission for the other files. So I'm going to let's try again by connecting. Now it's there, it's gone. So I'm going to paste the password here. Okay, now I'm the level 8. So on the level 8, you have to cat .-rc file. Then here you add the command because the policy is in URL. So I'm going to copy that URL so I have to go to this URL. So I'm using here. Okay, you're on the login page to the Scotland police. So try different combination, it won't work. Okay, it will give error or something. Anyway, you have to bypass this login URL. Okay. I'm going to use SQL injection to bypass this thing. Let's see. You can use So you went for next level. So this is for the flag for the next level. I just copy it and I'm going to exit this. And I have to connect to the level 9 by the password I just got. Okay, what's wrong? I didn't copy the password correctly, so let's see. Okay, now it's okay. So there is a folder called cat case1.g6. So it's concerned the next level URL. So I'm going to go here and go to the next level URL. So tinting has to investigate more. This may be related to food items. Who knows? Okay, then this may be useful later. Okay, maybe level 10. So I'll just keep it as it is. And this URL for the later purpose. Okay, this is a cookie related thing, so you have to go to the cookie stuff like that. So I'm going to open Cookie Manager for the current page. So there is a login data thing. So this is base 64 encoded. You have to go to the base 64 decoded, and you can decode the password for the next level. And use level 10 for the password I just got. Now this is the point. I can't connect using that password. So let's try again. Actually, password is not working well. I did enable level 10 for the login permission. So just don't waste time like that. So you have to use that hint that you got later. So like this. You have to copy that file and make the URL first. Okay, let's see what's there. So continue. Level 10 continues continue with his adventure. He found a small paper chip saying 4 by 45786. What will it be? A telephone number? Who knows? Let's first. This is a FTP server running on this host. So you have to do the FTP in order to get to the next level. So like this, you have to give the IP of the VM, and don't forget the port you just got. Okay, now you're level 10, so you have to type level 10 and the password that you got. So from here, so see, so, okay, it's copying the password. So okay, you're on the FTP server, so you have to files and there's a flag. So just copy the flag for the next level. Okay, now you should be go to the level 11. So go to level 11, and this is the password. And you're on the level 11, and there is a file called cat dot hint. Okay, this is the URL for the next level. Just to copy and go to that. Okay, this is a picture format, and technography based challenge. So here to just save the image. I'm just keep it as it is 6.jpg, and you will need a tool called stick hide. So first you need to install it. Not here, not here. Yeah, sorry, in your local, any local machine, local VM. Like this. So okay, let it be installed. Now stick hide is installed, and you save the file in your download directory. So you can extract the file using the stick hide. So I'm going to cd to downloads folder. So here's a file. You can type stick hide. I extract EF SF, give the file 6.jpg, and need to give minus XF, give out. I just don't give password, so click just enter. Okay, this is so PGP key. So okay, this is the password for the next level. So I'm just going to the next level. To the level 12, and the password I just got. And let's see what's here. Okay. This is cat.in file. The URL for the next level. So copy and go to that level. Oh, okay. This is this is for the so this for this you need to trace the HTTP responses. Okay, I'm going to start it. I use SAML tracer. Using that, I just reload the file. Just like that. And send it. Okay. So to get to the next level is flag, so you need to have some understanding. So this is the HTTP header that you get as a response. Okay. So you unlock TR. So this is a weakness cipher and code. So you have to know weakness cipher and code. So decode it. Data is the data file that you gotta decrypt. I'll just give the ciphertext here. And the key is I already know it's a TR. So you just need to decrypt the So this is the password for the next level. Just copy this whole thing. Okay, just don't close it. Okay, just exit it and try to connect the level 13 using the password I just got. Okay, now I'm the level 13 now. So there's a file called cat.hint. It says BitTorrent as hint. I don't know. Let's see. And go to the browser. So here you need to have download this file. So I'm going to download this file. So okay, it's a PCAP file. So I'm going to extract it. I just download it to the download folder, and you have to open it. And it will be open in Wireshark. So I open this Wireshark file as in the PCAP file in the Wireshark. So just sort it for the BitTorrent, and when I'm looking for the BitTorrent, like this, it's green sign, and inside the green side you have the flag for the next level. So you can get a bucket comment like this. Okay, I'm going to copy this file. Just go to the next level. Okay, let's go close it. I'm going to exit it. I'm going to connect to the level 14 here. This is the password I got. Okay, let's see what's here. Usually the hint file. And this is a link for the level 14. And I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Oh, okay. This is a download button, and there's a hint. It's data breach. Okay, click download. Okay, that's not good. Okay. So you have to download this evidence file. So I did download, and you have to open it using like a disk mount, like autopsy or something like that. So let's see. I'm using autopsy to get this file open. I'm just giving a name. I added. Now you need to add the data source. Okay. Mm. So I'm going to click next, and I'm going to browse my evidence file here. I downloaded from the web. Just click like this. It says data source is added to the local database, and just click finish and try to open the evidence file. And there's multiple evidence files available, so go to the system wallet information and you have to extract this thumbs.db file. Just extracting it to the desktop. Okay. Okay. You have to go to the cached file you just created. So export, and I'm going to open it using Notepad++. And you can just find the flag something like this. So this is the password for the next level. I'm just copy the password. I'm going to close this and the other stuff. So I'm going to connect to the last level. Password I got from there. So I'm going to the last level. So usually the get.heap file available. You can go to like this from your browser and just go here. Okay, it's going to conclude this initiation. So robots may have, so it means that the robot.txt. So it says AES as a hint. So I'm just think that AES encryption will help me. So this is the AES encrypted text. So I'm going to use so I'm going to use some online text to decrypt this file. So not that file. The file we got from here is the thing we need. So this is the password. This is the password for the next level. I'm just copy it. Not the next level. Actually, this is the password for the tinting user account. So I'm going to connect to the tinting user account using that password. So I can get the privilege as this. Then I can get the root flag. This is the end of the CTF box, and have fun playing this CTF. I think it's pleasure to you to play the CTF. Okay, thank you.